Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Almarx from Almarx Web Dev, and I'm so excited to kick off something special today. For those who know me already, it's been a long time since I uploaded a new video right on this channel, so that is why I decided to bring you something special to get started. So here's the thing. If you've been wanting to level up your JavaScript skills, you are in the right place. Today, I am so excited to announce the JavaScript methods and functions in 30 days challenge right here on my YouTube channel. So over the next month, we are going to dive deep into JavaScript methods, functions, and events to help you become a better JavaScript ninja. But wait, why 30 days? Well, I believe that consistent daily practice is the key to mastering any skill, especially programming in our case. So for the next 30 days, we are going to explore a new concept each day, building a solid foundation and unlocking the full potential of JavaScript. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience, this challenge is designed just for you. Each day, we will focus on a specific topic, from the basics of functions to the intricacies of events, all while applying what we learn in practical examples. So now, let me give you a sneak peek of what to expect during this challenge. We will start with the fundamentals, understanding the basic JavaScript arrays and objects, and how to implement JavaScript method on each arrays and object. This is going to be a tough one because by the end of the 30-day challenge period, we are going to move to the advanced level in order to solidify our understanding. That is not all. More is coming. But wait until we get to the end of this project. So don't worry, it's going to be a tough one, like I said. So that is why I'll be right here with you every step of the way. We'll cover the theory, write codes together, and I'll share tips and tricks to make your learning journey smoother. So here's what you need to do. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and join me on this 30-day adventure. Also comment below if you're up for the challenge and let me know what specific topics you are excited to learn about. I can't just wait to see you in the challenge. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So guys, let's take that step together and become JavaScript masters in just 30 days. So guys, with that being said, thanks for watching. I will catch you right in the next video. Happy coding. Hasta luego.